My name is Freddie Godfrey, and I'm one of the founders of Gablet. Gablet is the first ever search site for finding anything to do, no matter what it is or where. And the idea came out of a very simple frustration that my business partner and I had in London when we were running a high-end event company, was that we needed to know everything that was happening across the entire city. But to do that required us being on 10 or 20 different sites every single day. Why don't we build a calendar that aggregates the aggregators? And that's what we've done. As an international founder and somebody who brought their company over from the UK to the United States, the initial reason we did so is because California and Silicon Valley has this can-do approach to engineering. When we spoke to people back in the UK about what we wanted to do, it was that's not been done before. When we spoke to people in San Francisco and the Valley, it was like, that's not been done before. And that was the tone that we needed to pick up and find the boost to get us to San Francisco. It was a very difficult thing. First, of course, to start a company that requires moving to the other side of the world requires a lot more initial capital. And then we came over as a team of 3 to San Francisco. We came in on E2, investor visas. The process took months to fill out the paperwork and another 4 months to wait. Then the Olympics happened and the embassy threatened to close down until after the Olympics, which was going to mess up a huge amount of our scheduled launch time. And we'd committed $250,000, $300,000 already into this business before knowing that we even had a visa. And part of that was because, again, it is this entrepreneurial mentality of, it's going to happen. We don't take no for an answer, and that really, really mattered. And that actually came across in our interviews for our visas. It was, we've already hired 7 people. We've already rented out a live workspace and 2 residential spaces. You've got no choice but let's carry on and build this Titan. And it therefore required huge balls, but again, it's just a belief that it's not going to go any other way. And if you do that, the challenge is just the idea that going through the immigration process as an international founder is expensive. It costs tens of thousands of dollars through legal fees, and it's quite unnerving sometimes. But it's worth it. There's a great mentality here. The quality of the engineering team that we've built is absolutely fantastic.